Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox with another awesome video for you today, you guys. If you want to drop 11 pounds in 2 days, I have a powerful tea that's going to do it for you. This is a diuretic, and this is going to help to get rid of 11 pounds in 2 days. Simple, easy, believe me, okay? Easy. We're going to be working with wonderful parsley. Parsley is an awesome diuretic. It's an awesome herb that really helps you in your weight loss journey. You can make teas with this and you can shed that weight off really fast. I have a video already using parsley, and there's just different variations of using this. You can use this with lemon, you can use this with honey, you can use this with cumin seeds. I mean, so many different ways, but today we're just going to do plain parsley. All right, so you're going to need parsley and a liter of water. So you're also going to need a pan, which I already got heating on the stove, and we're going to pour our water in there. Okay, next we're going to take our parsley and we're going to mince it up. Okay, we don't need the stems, we just need the actual parsley leaves. Okay. Alright, so you're just going to mince this up as much as possible. Next you're going to use 5 tablespoons of the parsley leaves and put it in your water. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, like I said, there's different ways that you can actually boost this up and make it even more potent. If you like, you could even add ginger in there. We're going to let this parsley boil for at least 10 to 15 minutes, and we're going to come back after that. All right, you guys, so we're back, and you're going to get your mug out, and what you're going to do is you're going to strain half of this into your cup. You're going to pour at least 16 ounces of it into your cup and drink it. What you're going to do is you're going to drink this drink twice a day. So you're going to only portion out half of it. Then you can drink the rest either at lunchtime or at dinner time or even before bed. So out of the 1 liter, you're going to pour 16 ounces of this into your mug, and you're going to drink this, okay? Then maybe during lunch or dinner, you're going to pour the balance of it and have that. This is a diuretic, and it's going to have you flush that weight off in no time. You're going to drop at least 11 pounds within 2 days. So I suggest you make this both days, drink it both days, and you split the portion throughout the day into halves, okay? And you're going to see weight loss. So this is a powerful way of dropping weight instantly. So if you want to get that bloatingness off of you, you want to slim down that belly, if it's looking a little pooched out, this is what's going to do it for you. All right, so thank you so much for joining me on this powerful weight loss tea, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Turn your notifications on to all, because YouTube has changed the notification setting. So when you select the notification, make sure you set it to all, and you will not miss another one of these wonderful detox tea videos, okay? Like this video, share this video, and until the next video, I will see you then. Hey fam!
Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.